The future development of vegetarian food. Vegetarian food has come a long way in recent years, with more and more people choosing plant-based diets for health, environmental, and ethical reasons. As the demand for vegetarian food continues to grow, so does the need for innovation and development in the industry. In this article, we will explore the future development of vegetarian food and the trends that are shaping its future. One of the most significant trends in the development of vegetarian food is the use of technology. Advances in food science and technology are allowing chefs and food companies to create plant-based products that are more realistic in taste, texture, and appearance than ever before. For example, the use of 3D printing technology is being explored to create plant-based meat alternatives that mimic the texture and appearance of animal meat. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the vegetarian food industry, making it more accessible and appealing to a wider range of consumers. Another trend in the development of vegetarian food is the focus on sustainability. As the impact of animal agriculture on the environment becomes increasingly apparent, many consumers are looking for more sustainable and eco-friendly alternatives. This has led to the development of plant-based products that use fewer resources, such as water and land, and produce fewer greenhouse gas emissions than animal-based products. In addition, there is an increasing focus on using locally sourced and seasonal ingredients to reduce the carbon footprint of the food industry. The health benefits of a vegetarian diet are well established, and this is another trend that is driving the development of vegetarian food. As more people become aware of the health benefits of a plant-based diet, there is a growing demand for vegetarian products that are not only nutritious but also delicious. This has led to the development of plant-based products that are high in protein, fiber, and other essential nutrients, while also being low in fat and cholesterol. Companies are also exploring the use of functional ingredients, such as probiotics and superfoods, to create vegetarian products that promote gut health and overall well-being. Another trend in the development of vegetarian food is the emphasis on flavor and variety. While vegetarian food has traditionally been associated with bland and uninspiring dishes, chefs and food companies are now pushing the boundaries of flavor and creativity. This has led to the development of vegetarian products that are inspired by cuisines from around the world, such as Indian, Thai, and Mexican. In addition, there is a growing interest in plant-based alternatives to traditionally meat-based products, such as burgers, sausages, and bacon. The development of vegetarian food is also being driven by changing consumer preferences and lifestyles. As more people adopt plant-based diets, there is a growing demand for vegetarian products that are convenient, affordable, and readily available. This has led to the development of plant-based products that can be easily incorporated into everyday meals, such as plant-based milks, yogurts, and cheeses. In addition, the rise of online grocery shopping and meal delivery services has made it easier than ever to access vegetarian products. The future development of vegetarian food is also being influenced by a shift towards ethical and conscious consumption. Many consumers are now interested in the ethical implications of their food choices, including the treatment of animals and the impact of the food industry on workers and communities. This has led to a growing interest in plant-based products that are produced in an ethical and sustainable manner, with transparent supply chains and fair labor practices. To meet these changing consumer preferences, the vegetarian food industry is also exploring new business models and distribution channels. For example, Many companies are now using direct to consumer models, selling their products online and through social media platforms. This allows them to reach a wider audience and build a more engaged customer base.